Dear students, in last video we have learned about mean and median. Now today we are going to learn about mode or modal value. Now what is mode or modal value? Mode or modal value of a statistical data is the variate which occurs most frequently. In other words, the mode of a statistical data is the variate which has maximum frequency. Now, what is modal class? The class with maximum frequency is called the modal class, right? So, class which contains maximum frequency is called the what? Modal class. Now, let us see in the example. Find the mode of the following sets of numbers. So, sets of numbers are given 3, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. So, directly also we can find which number is repeating most of the times, that will become the mode. It will be easy if we arrange them in either in ascending or descending order. Now, I have arranged in the ascending order 0, 1, right, 0. So, you can cancel like this 0, 1, 2, 2, right, 3, 3, 3, 3 times, 5, 1 times. So, 0 is repeating 1 time, 1 is 1 time, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times, 5 is 1 time. So, 3 is repeating 3 times, that means the mode is what? It is 3, right. Now, say in part number 2, sets of numbers are there 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 0, 6, 8, 1, 8. Numbers in ascending order 0, 1, 5, 6, 6, 7, 1 time, 8, 8, 8, 3 time, 9, 1 time. So, here 8 is repeating 3 times, that means the mode is what? It is 8. Now, dear students, you can see question number 2. Find the mean, median and mode of the following distribution. So, distributions are 8, 10, 7, 6, 10, 11, 6, 13, 10. To find mean, you just have to add this data, divide this by number of terms. So, 8, 10, 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11 plus 6 plus 13 plus 10 whole divided by number of terms. So, number of terms is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9. If you add all this, you will get 81. 81 divided by 9 will give you 9. So, for this particular set of numbers, we are getting mean as 9. Now, for median. So, since number of observation or number of terms is how much? 9. So, first step we must arrange them in ascending order, right. So, if we are arranging them in ascending order, we will get 6, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 tens are there, 1, 11, 1, 13, right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the number of observation how much? It is 9. We know that to find median we must use formula for the odd number, and the formula for the odd number to find median is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. N is 9, 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So, that means 9 plus 1 equal to 10, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So, this will become 5th observation. So, 5th observation, which one is the 5th observation? First, second, third, fourth, 5th. So, 5th observation is 10. Now, to find mode, just see which number is repeating more times, 3 times. This 10 is repeating 3 times. So, mode is 3. Dear students, let us see question number 3. The marks obtained by 30 students in a class assessment of 5 marks is given below. So, marks are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of students, that means this will become the frequency. 1, that means 1 student has scored 0 marks, 3 student has scored 1 marks, 6 students have scored 2 marks, 10 students have scored 3 marks, 5 students have scored 4 marks and 5 students have scored 5 marks. calculate the mean, median and mode of the above distribution. So, for that let us make a table, right. We can make table like this. So, here in this single table only, from this single table only we can find all, that is mode, median and mean. Okay. Now, this is marks, right. First column is of marks, second column is of number of students. Number of student means frequency. Here we can find cumulative frequency, right, that will be required for to find median. Okay. Now, fx, right, that will be required for the mean. Okay. Now, number of students, how much? 1, 3, 6, 10, 5, 5. So, that means if we add this you will get how much? It is 30. Now, in from cumulative frequency also we can get 30 only. 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 10 plus 10 equal to 20, 20 plus 5 equal to 25, 25 plus 5 equal to 30. Okay. Now, to find fx, right, fx, f is, this column is f and this one is the x. 1 into 0 equal to 0, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 6 into 2 equal to 12, 10 into 3 is equal to 30, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, 5 into 5 equal to 25. So, if you add this fx, you will get summation fx equal to 90. Now, we know the formula to find the mean by direct method, right, that is mean is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. Summation fx is how much? 90 divided by summation f is how much? 30, that is cumulative frequency is what? It is 30. 90 divided 30 will give you 3. So, that means mean is becoming 3. Again, number of students is how much it is? Total number of students is 30, that is even number. Therefore, to find median we can use formula half into n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. N is 30. So, 30 divided by 2, 2th observation plus 30 divided 2 plus 1th observation. If we cancel this, we will get 15th observation. This is 15 plus 1 equal to 16th observation. As I have already explained you about median, so 15th observation and 16th observation. So, from cumulative frequency table, frequency distribution table, we can see one student has scored 0, 3 students have scored 1, that means 4 students have scored 0 and 1, altogether 0 and 1. 10 students have scored 0, 1, 2. That means 11th to 20th, 11th to 20th students, right, our observation is what? It is 3. Okay. So, that means 15 and 16 will comes under here only, that means 15th and 16th have also scored 3 marks. So, 15th student have scored 3, similarly 16th also have scored 3. So, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. Okay. So, the median is how much? It is 3. Again, from the frequency distribution table we can see which is the greater number? 10. So, that means 10 students have scored 3. So, the mode is also 3. Now, dear students, we can see question number 4. The following table gives the weekly wages in rupees of workers in a factory. Weekly wages in rupees: 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 85 to 90, 95 to 85 to 90. Okay. Now, number of workers. So, that means under this group 5 workers are there, that means 5 workers have earned rupees between 50 to 55. Similar 20 workers have earned rupees 55 to 60. Likewise, these are the what? These are the number of workers. Now, we are asked to find or calculate the mean. Number 2, the model class. Number 3, the number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80. Number 4, the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more but less than rupees 85 as weekly wages. Again, we can do this in the single table only. Okay. Now, let us make the table like this, where first column is your class interval, that means weekly wages. Second column is for frequency, that is number of workers. Third is the class marks, right, class marks, right. Again for cumulative frequency, and this one is the fx. Now class intervals are already given, that is, or weekly wages are already given, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, right. These are given here. Number of workers as already given here, we have to write this one. Now to find class mark, as I have already explained you, to find class mark, what we can do is we can add the lower limit and the upper limit, divide this by 2. So 50 plus 55 will give you 105. 105 divided by 2 will be how much? It will be 52.5. Similarly, here you can see the difference is also class width. You can see 55 minus 50 is equal to 5, 60 minus 55 is equal to 5. So you just keep on adding 5 here, right. So 52.5 plus 5 equal to 57.5, or you can do, you can add this 55 and 60, divide this by 2, you will get 57.5, right. So if you do so, you will get 62.5, 67.5, 72.5, 77.5, 82.5, 87.5. So this will become your class marks. Again for cumulative frequency, see, first is 5, you can write 5, 5 plus 20 equal to 25, 25 plus 10 equal to 35, 35 plus 10 equal to 45, 45 plus 9 equal to 54, 54 plus 6 equal to 60, 60 plus 12 equal to 72, 72 plus 8 is equal to 80, right. So this is the cumulative frequency, that means if you add this again you will get 80. Now we have to find what? Fx here, okay, fx. So that means fx will be f into x, right. So class mark, that means we must multiply frequency with the class mark. 5 into 52.5 equal to 262.5, 20 into 57.5 equal to 1150, 10 into 62.5 will give you 625, 10 into 67.5 will give you 675, 9 into 72.5 will give you 652.5, 6 into 77.5 will give you 465, 12 into 82.5 will give you 990, 8 into 87.5 will give you 700. So if you add all this, you will get 5520. That means this is the summation fx. To find mean by direct method, if in question if you are asked to find the mean by shortcut method or step deviation method, so that means you must use either shortcut method or the step deviation method. Since it is not mentioned in this question which method to use, so simply I am using direct method. So summation fx is equal to 5520 divided by summation f is equal to 80. If you cancel this, 0 0 will get cancelled. Divide this 552 by 8 will get 69. Again for model class, right, model class we can see frequency, number of workers, that means 20 workers are earning rupees 55 to 60, okay, maximum is 20, second is 12, so that maximum is what? It is 20. So the model class is what? Class is 55 to 60. Now part number 3 is the number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80. Below rupees 80, that means 80 and below. So 80 and below, that means if you add all this, you will get how much? It will be 60. That means this 60 workers are earning wages below rupees 80. That means the number of workers getting weekly wages below rupees 80 is how much? It is 60, because we can say this 9 workers are earning 72, 75, these 6 are working earning how much? 75 to 80. Since this is your inclusive class interval, so that means the 80 is not included, okay. So we can think that 75 to 79. So that means 75 to 79, that means 60 workers are earning below 80, okay. Now the number of workers getting rupees 65 or more, 65 or more, so that means we can say 65 or more, 65 or more, but less than 85, but less than 85. So 65 or more is how much? It is 35 85 less than 85 is how much? It is 72. So that means 72 minus 35, 72 minus 35. So that means this much, right? This much workers are earning. That means 37 workers are earning more than 65 but less than rupees 85. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you.